Welcome. Knowledge World for you. Mercury. In our solar system, Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury has radius 1,516 miles, that is 2,440 kilometers. It's just little bigger than the moon of Earth. It would take more than 18 Mercuries to be as big as Earth. As we know that Mercury is the smallest and fastest planet in the solar system. It is closest planet to our Sun, name given to the Mercury after the messenger god. It is also called fastest Roman god. It is very old planet, we said that, known by ancient people thousands of years ago. Mercury has no moon. Mercury's surface temperatures are both extremely hot and cold. Because the planet is so close to the Sun, day temperatures can reach highs of 800 Fahrenheit for 30 centigrade. The Rembrandt basin displays a wheel and spoke pattern on its central floor that has never been seen on any other planet or moon. The surface of Mercury has landforms that indicate its crust may have contracted. They are long, sinuous cliffs called lobate scarps. Another large lobate scarp on Mercury is Discovery Rupes. Rupes is Latin for cliff. Mercury nearest to Ig Sun and practically atmosphere looked like our world. Now the time to know about the weird and unique fact about Mercury, planets that is useful for us. As we know that this planet is near to the Sun but ice is permanently shadowed, craters that not receive sunlight. On this planet's surface, organics are also founded. Organic is the building block for life. Interesting to note about Mercury, it has no rings or moons, which makes it different from just about every other planet in our solar system. The exception is Venus, which also has no moons or rings. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar. Mercury is just 4,879 kilometers across its equator, compared with 12,742 kilometers for the Earth. We know that Mercury is small. Mercury is very dense. Each cubic centimeter has a density of 5.4 grams, with only the Earth having a higher density. This is largely due to Mercury being composed mainly of heavy metals and rock. As the iron core of the planet cooled and contracted, the surface of the planet became wrinkled. Have named these wrinkles lobate and scientists scarps. These scarps can be up to a mile high and hundreds of miles long. Recent research of scientists have come to believe that the solid iron core of Mercury could in fact be molten. Normally the core of smaller planets cools rapidly, but after more research, the results were not in line with those expected from a solid core. Since Mercury can be seen without the need of a telescope, many ancient civilizations saw the planet, and as such it is impossible to determine who discovered it first. However, it was first observed with the help of a telescope in early 17th century by Galileo Galilei. Mercury spins slowly on its axis and completes one rotation every 59 Earth days. as well as during a possibly separate, subsequent event called the Late Heavy Bombardment that ended 3.8 billion years ago. Mercury is a terrestrial planet having three main layers: a core, mantle, and crust. Mercury's crust has no tectonic plates, and its iron core is enormous, making up 85% of the planet's radius, while Earth's inner and outer core account for about 55%. Because of the core's unusual size, it influences Mercury's overall size by causing it to shrink. The iron core has slowly cooled and contracted for about 4.5 billion years. By doing this, it pulled the surface inward and thus has reduced the planet's size between 17 kilometers or 4 miles. The planet consists of about 70% metallic and 30% silicate material, leading to its high density and thus placing it as the second densest planet. It is believed that Mercury was heavy bombarded by comets and asteroids during and shortly after its formation, 4.6 billion years ago. If you liked this interesting facts about Mercury, please share this knowledge around all around the world. Thanks. Bye bye.